Need water damage restoration in Seattle? National Restoration Construction is your local emergency water damage team, ready right now. National Restoration Construction offers 24/7 emergency response in Seattle. Our crews answer day and night, every single day. Our IICRC certified technicians bring industry-leading water damage restoration expertise directly to your Seattle home or business. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NARESTCO 792M6 and insured, so your Seattle property is always protected. For trusted water damage restoration in Seattle, call National Restoration Construction now for your free estimate. Dial 206-883-0333.